Select the object and go to edit mode. Now, if you want to use the extrusion tools, you can resize this left toolbar, and as default to be show extrude region. If you click hold to be show another option like manifold, long normals, individuals, and cursor. So I will use the extrude region. You can use the vertex selection. I will select this vertex and then will be show the normal icons for the extrude region. If you want to change into another, you can click these buttons X, Y, Z and to be changed into X, Y, Z extrusion. You can extrude in blue axis, green axis, or red axis. Different if you use the edge, I will select at this edge, you'll be create the surface object. And also I will select this edge, you can extrude in here. The next I will change again into face selection. You can select this face. We create full shape object. You also can press A button to use the extrude tools. Like I will change to here, select box, and you can select at this face. You can press A button, you can extrude here. So very easy to extrusion by pressing A button. Another, if you want to use extrude manifold, you can select, like I will click at this face, and if you use the A button to extrude into here, click, it will be create the surface in this object. If you want to cut this object, you can use the extrude manifold. You can click here, use extrude manifold, then I will extrude into this point. So that's it, the function of extrude manifold. Another, you also can see option extrude along normals. Like in here, you can select at these two faces in the corner. And then you can change into extrude along normals to be create the extrusions between these two faces and connected. And it will be different if you use the extrude individual, will be extrusion in every face like this, not connected between the selected face. You also can access the option extrusion by pressing Alt plus A. You can select like this face, then press Alt plus A to be show the small option for extrusion. You can extrude face, along normals, individual, and manifold. I will use this manifold. You can move to the bottom here. You can select at this face. Use the extrude manifold. And you can see also the extrusion repeat. You can repeat the extrusion. Like here, I will select this face and we extrude into here, into this direction, like this. And you can use the extrude repeat. We can set for the repeat in here. Like I will set for the offset X into 0 because we extrude in it in Y direction. I will set Y direction into 1. For the Z direction, I will set into 0. So this is the extrusion repeat. You also can set here into -1 and then set into this direction. So you can change for steps. This will be automatically repeat the extrusion.